Welcome back, guys. Today I will take you and show you how to make money from graphic designing. If you are designer, if you graphic designer, anything, you start work online without any investment, without any hard skill. Just you are graphic designing, knowledge of illustration, Photoshop, and other thing. This is the graphic designing work online. There are three types of response to a design: yes, no, and wow. So you should try the wow, utilize your creativity and design something great. You can design logos, business cards, cover, etc. You can choose from this ideas, place your own idea. So the particular gig is graphic designing. The particular gig is much ways, more short ways on the graphic design. Logos, the branch of graphic designing. Second branch, add logos and picture, t-shirt, cups, mug, etc. Graphic design, business card, book cover, album art, and cover, etc. And photo editing, the branch of graphic designing. Create banner for social medias, like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other one. Infographics, brochure, mockup, and bright. Okay, so now I'm copy this. Go to Google and write uh, in a search bar Fiverr. Click on the fiverr.com. This show the interface of Fiverr like this. So without joining, click here. Graphic designing. Now wait, like how much people work it just a graphic designing. The gig is competition very high, but the buyer is very high pay value. I will do Photoshop, editing, illustration, brand identity. I will be your professional graphic designer. I will be designing advertising and marketing. I will be your professional graphic designer. Okay, how much cost per order? 46 order completed. 552 orders completed. I will design a logo, flyer, and any other graphic design project. I will be your graphic designer, vector art, and Photoshop edits. Okay, so the people work here. Okay, just I'm search graphic designing on Google. So graphic design course, graphic design salary, software, jobs, background, other one. Just I am search Google, just graphic designing. What is graphic design? I am open this article. What is a graphic design? What is graphic designer do? What is the graphic designer course? What are the four types of graphic design? So I am open this. Let's see. First I am check it. First, what is the graphic design? According to the American Institution of Graphic Art, graphic design is the art of practice and planning the project ideas and experience the visual and textual content. Okay, and the terms of graphic design and communication creation ideas for message and the visual way. What is the graphic designing? Okay, so this is a some way. What do graphic designing? What is the graphic design? Is the process of creating visual content and communicate information message to the mass. Considered to be the subset. And commission design, graphic design is the use the creative version content using elements such as photography, colors, typograph, illustration, and icons for etc. So the people are on here for graphic design. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.